I noticed I made mistake. I missed one triple front post crochet. Can you tell that I missed that? I mean, I can because I know what it is. So I'm debating, should I go with the same color of yarn and fix this little stitch, or should just leave this alone? I'm still thinking, and I think I just go back and fix that. Because I was working raglan, so this last row here, it's connected all the way to my front and back and my other sleeve. There is no way I will be ripping all this out. It's just too much work. I will take this color of yarn because I'm missing this here. See, this one has that triple front post. This one has triple front post, and this one does not. So what I will do, I will take this color of yarn, go back and just add separate triple front post crochet right here, and I should be fine. And now the sun is shining on my piece, so you can see the colors in full light.